Welcome to our presentation. We are WebJams, and our project is Taskaroo, a task and habit tracking app designed to help users manage their routines effectively. Taskaroo is built using the MERN stack, combining MongoDB, Express.js, React, and Node.js. Our team includes Zach Selby, the project manager and UI/UX designer, Joshua Gates, the back-end developer, Mariana McHugh, our front-end developer, and Adrian Nareen, our database programmer. Each of us has contributed to different layers of the stack to bring this project to life. Taskaroo is a full-stack web application that allows users to create and track daily tasks and habits, monitor progress with a streak counter, and personalize their routine management. The application includes email and password authentication with CRUD functionality for both tasks and habits. Initially, we had planned several core features: a secure login and registration system using email and password, a personalized landing page or dashboard showing the user's current streak and number of daily tasks completed, the ability to create, edit, and delete tasks, and a streak counter for each habit. Most of these features were implemented successfully. Due to time constraints, the landing dashboard was not completed fully. This page was intended to greet users with a summary of their progress, including total completed tasks for the day and an indicator of their current habit streak. However, streak tracking is available on individual habit pages as shown here. This is a sample screenshot from our external design document. The EDD includes wireframes for all major features, color palette and typography selections, main navigation structure, authentication strategy using email and password, cloud-based database using MongoDB Atlas, and screenshots of deployed features. Our goal was to create a clean, accessible interface aligned with our user-first design. The front end was built using React.js, styled with modern CSS, and deployed using Netlify. We prioritized a minimal and intuitive user interface with responsive design, accessible forms, and a seamless user experience. React components were organized to allow easy scalability and maintainability. For cloud deployment, we hosted the front end of Taskaroo on Netlify, which enabled us to streamline continuous deployment and easily push updates. On the back end, our application logic is handled through client-side API calls that are integrated directly within the front-end code. We use MongoDB Atlas as our cloud-based NoSQL database, ensuring scalability and flexibility. The connection to the database is secured using environment variables for enhanced security. For authentication, we implemented a secure login system using email and password. User data is stored and retrieved from MongoDB Atlas in a way that maintains both privacy and reliability. As of now, the site is fully deployed and operational, supporting key features such as habit and task management, authentication, and streak tracking. Let's take a look at Taskaroo in action. First, we'll log in using the demo credentials, test@test.com, and password test. Once logged in, you're taken to the dashboard page, which is not fully functional, but the Add Task and Add Habit buttons take you to their respective pages. Let's click on Add Habit. You can see that takes us to the habit page. Here you can view your current habits, including the name and frequency, and your current streak count. You can create a new habit by using the Add Habit button, fill in the form with a title and frequency, and then submit. The habit appears immediately in the list. Each habit allows the user to mark a day as complete, incrementing their streak. If they attempt to complete a habit twice in one day, the system will give an error. indicating that the habit is already complete. Users can also edit or delete a habit using the buttons beside them. If the user clicks on the delete button, they'll be prompted to confirm they would like to delete the habit. Switching to the Tasks tab, we see a similar layout. Tasks can be created with due dates, priority levels, and updated or deleted at any time. The application is responsive and works well across devices. And that's Taskaroo. Simple, functional, and built for everyday productivity. Throughout the project, we encountered several key challenges. One major issue was coordinating our schedules to meet regularly, which sometimes delayed progress. Another was the limited cross-component familiarity. For instance, our front-end developer wasn't always aware of how the back-end or database was structured, and vice versa. If we had the chance to do this over, we would definitely schedule weekly meetings in advance and encourage everyone to gain a working knowledge of all areas in the application to better collaborate and troubleshoot. We're proud of what we've built and the collaboration we achieved as a team. Looking ahead, there are several features we'd love to implement. First, we'd like to get the dashboard fully working to give users a more complete overview when they log in. We also hope to add a notification system that alerts users about upcoming tasks and habits. Another enhancement would be to add start and end date options for habits, providing more flexibility and control. Thank you for your time. We hope you enjoyed learning about Taskaroo.